so cold outside, so I made this soup, beef bone soup. So it's good for the cold weather. Let's enjoy. How's everyone? How's Canada? Oh my God, too much snow now. Parang malulubog na yata tayo. Kung if more coming, di ko na alam kung saan natin ilagay yung snow. Grabe na ang snow bank namin, parang matabunan na. Ingat guys. God bless to everyone. Ingat ang lahat. Kung hindi importanteng lumabas, please stay home na lang. And drive safe if ever lalabas kasi slippery ang daan. I know it's still so cold.